Right now, there's a good chance you are slumping forward, staring down at a screen. In the clinical world, this position is known as forward head posture, or more commonly, nerd neck. Consider this cervical spine diagram. For every inch your head moves forward, 10 extra pounds transfers to your neck. At extreme angles, your spine supports 60 pounds. This pressure creates stress points, triggering secondary symptoms from tension headaches to restricted breathing. You can reset this alignment. We are going to walk through a targeted 5-minute protocol to relieve this tension and reposition your spine. Fixing this is about preventing structural change. If left uncorrected, your bones and tissues eventually adapt to the strain, potentially leading to a permanent curve known as a dowager's hump. To correct this posture, we first have to look at the anatomical imbalance driving the head forward. It's called upper cross syndrome. This torso diagram illustrates upper cross syndrome. Chest muscles act like shrinking rubber bands, locking up and pulling your shoulders forward. Conversely, your upper back muscles are constantly overstretched. Elongated all day, they thin out, losing their ability to hold your spine upright. This explains why simply pulling your shoulders back rarely works. You are trying to force your back muscles to fight against the active tension of the locked-up chest muscles. True correction requires a two-front approach, stretching the tight red zones in the front while simultaneously strengthening the weak gray zones in the back. Step 1 targets the tightest part of the imbalance. This is the doorway stretch. Place your forearms on either side of a door frame, elbows bent at a strict right angle. Step 1 foot through the frame and slowly shift your weight forward. This pries the chest open without straining rotator cuffs, releasing pectoralis tension. To maintain this open position throughout the day, use the ballet cue, sternum to the sky. Instead of forcing a rigid posture, simply point your sternum upward, which naturally aligns your spine. By releasing the front of the body first, you remove the biological resistance that was fighting against your realignment. Step 2 is the prone Y raise. This exercise wakes up the dormant lower trapezius and rhomboid muscles in your upper back. Lie completely flat on your stomach with your arms extended into a Y formation above your head. Point your thumbs straight up toward the ceiling. Raise your arms high, imagining you're squeezing a tennis ball between your shoulder blades to fully engage your back muscles. Avoid arching your lower back for momentum, or you'll stop isolating the muscles needed for true shoulder alignment. Once activated, these muscles act as an automated anchor system, holding your shoulders back without you having to think about it. Step 3 is the chin tuck. This is the final maneuver required to reset the cervical spine itself. Place 2 fingers lightly on your chin. These will act as a guide track to ensure your head moves in the correct direction. Do not tilt your head upward toward the ceiling. Instead, use your fingers to ensure your head slides horizontally straight backward. You should feel a firm packing sensation at the front of your neck. Correct form will naturally create a temporary double chin. This backward retraction directly reverses the gravitational pressure we established at the start of the protocol. A daily 5-minute routine provides the foundation, but 8 hours at an unoptimized desk will undo that progress. Step 4 is the ergonomic workspace reset. Your daily environment must be properly configured to strictly support your alignment. Position your monitor so that the top third of the screen is at eye level. This keeps your neck in a neutral, relaxed position while you work. Your monitor should be 18 to 24 inches from your face. Proper distance eliminates the subconscious urge to lean forward to read text. These environmental modifications defend your spine from the repetitive strain caused by modern technology. Proper alignment changes how you perceive yourself. By opening your chest and lifting your head, you increase oxygen flow and signal to your brain that you are in a position of command. Marilyn Monroe demonstrated this on a busy city street. By lifting her chin, opening her chest, and taking up space, she became instantly magnetic. Keep your sternum to the sky and choose to take up space. Subscribe to Feel Fresh Life for more biomechanical health hacks, and we'll see you in the next one.